This is my favourite Welsh song. It's from 1970.
Where is he now?
He's around Cardiff somewhere. He still plays. He's more into sort of rhythm and blues. Yeah. He sings the blues.
Still singing now?
Yeah, occasionally, yeah. And,
Never talked to him.
once or twice, yeah. He can be in strange moods, though. We tried to get him to play a gig once, and he turned up late and drunk, and he started shouting at us. And I was brought up in North Wales, in an area where English practically wasn't spoken, so I didn't need to use English, because I did all education was in Welsh because of the nature of the area. Do all the shopping in Welsh. You know, you get Welsh newspapers and magazines, Welsh language records. So it's an organic thing that when we sing in Welsh, it's just because that's our language. We make more people aware of the Welsh language even by singing in English, you know. Clarity just confuses me. The lines run on the map, the strange assembly. When there's northern noise and southern, west enders and east enders. Sunny days in January, left spaces in my diary that the demons ever need to know, what the demons ever got to see, as we've fallen and out of line, still a touch now far away, for the demons ever need to know, what the demons ever got to see, as we've fallen and out of line, still a touch now far away. 'Cause I know that apathy only ruined me, hanging around waiting for calamity. By the earth a billion, our skills will be vermilion. I own a bad memory, so I'll forget any felony. The demons ever need to know, what the demons ever got to see, as we've fallen and out of line, still a touch now far away, for the demons ever need to know, what the demons ever got to see, as we've fallen and out of line, still a touch now far away. 'Cause I know that you know that we know they don't know what's going on. This is the Meic Stevens song, Brawd Houdini, which is a very easy drinking song. It's really... La 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 la, la 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 la. Oh, mi buena railway, a beth am botel o cwrw. Oh, mae gen i bres on mae wgartes, yn troi bob dim yn feddwl. A fi'n ein methu gweld ti mewn ein bys o y byd a'i chwerthin, a dim ond fi, y Brawd Houdini'n cerdded lan i'n dyfai. La la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
Nid ei ore, a ninnau'n nefi gweld ti fewn ei mad, o'r byd a'i chwerthin, dim ond fi'n, a Brawd Houdini'n cerdded lan i'r nefoedd pobi.
That's a big problem that you've got if you're singing in Welsh. Because especially if you're a rock band like the Furry Animals or something, it doesn't matter because it's just a wall of sound, you know. It's just of a typical kind of genre. But if you're singing like songs like I do, which is like communicative lyrics, you know, you're not communicating because nobody can understand what you're saying, you know. You know. It's funny. All the bands that came up during the rock and roll time in Wales, such as, you know, people like Dave Edmunds and Tom Jones and people like this, they all used to sing covers of American artists' songs, you see. I've always written my own stuff. A lot of people do think I'm a nationalist because I sing in Welsh, and they think, oh, if you sing in Welsh, you know, you're a nationalist, but it's not true. I've always spoken Welsh since I was born, you know. So it's just a natural thing for me to sing in Welsh anyway, you know. Oh, come on. Sitting wee boys in the garden now, ooh, fundura in the bar. To my quite Uncle Victor, well, Gwen on her hand guitar. With him bugling loud and square, oh, boy, with him crew draw on a dread. Oh, come married and it my body, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, Queen, I move, I'm not head through, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. When Mauro down in Hattie, a faint of Kurumui. It's a here in Pigotane, where Victor and Grace are in. On Heno in Quebec, well, the team. But in guitar, a rape and dream. Uncle Victor and go lay your scene. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Well, Queen, I move. I'm not through. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Kissy champagne at the varu, in pronoun arbenihin. Jim Robid Macaruion, Kinathe Patrosafin. Will carry through the cabronet, jazz or swing or dare, Maestro D or Tiger Bay, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I certainly haven't made much money out of it, if money is credit. No, not much at all, you know. But it doesn't matter. I just enjoy playing. Just have fun, really. I guess I influenced a lot of musicians, yeah. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I know I did. Yeah. Now they don't need my influence anymore. You know, they can they can do it themselves, you know. I went to see a Furry Animals gig, you know, and I walked in and they phoned me up in a restaurant in Aberystwyth and said, come to our gig, it's like a party. So I came down on the train and I went in and I seen them in dressing room and I said, okay, who's got the drugs, you know? And they didn't have any drugs. I was absolutely amazed, you know. They didn't even have any weed, you know. And I went, oh shit, you know, what's going on around here, you know? I mean, you can't, you gotta have some weed, you know. They didn't have any. They didn't have any at all. So I went home.